Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a detailed look at Toolost, a music distribution platform that's gaining popularity among independent artists. If you're wondering whether you should use Toolost to distribute your music, this video is for you. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is Toolost? Simply put, Toolost is a digital music distribution platform designed to help artists like you get their music on all the major streaming services. Think Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, and more. The platform also offers tools for royalties management, collaboration, and promotional campaigns. Let's talk about Toolost pricing. Toolost offers two main pricing plans, the artist and the label. For the artist plan, you'll be charged $19.99 to upload your music per year and keep 100% of your royalties, but it's for just one artist. And for the label plan, you'll be charged $35.99 per year, keep 100% of your royalties, and it's for unlimited artists, which is very great. Now let's dig into features. Toolost provides global distribution to over 150 platforms, making sure your music reaches as many listeners as possible. Plus, they offer features like automated loyalty splits, which is ideal if you are collaborating with other artists, pre-save campaigns, which is a must for building anticipation for your releases, and then advanced analytics so you can track your music's performance. Toolost has a straightforward, clean interface, making it easy to upload your tracks and manage your releases, but it's worth noting that some users have mentioned slow customer support. If quick assistance is a priority for you, this is something to keep in mind. So should you use Toolost? Here's a quick rundown of pros and cons. For the pros, you should expect affordable pricing with a free option available, global distribution to all major platforms, useful tools for royalty management and promotions. And then for the cons, 15% royalty cut on the free plan, potentially slow customer support. In conclusion, Toolost is a solid option for independent artists, especially if you are looking for an affordable way to distribute your music without upfront costs. However, if you are looking for premium customer support or advanced marketing tools, you may want to explore other platforms as well. That wraps up this video. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on music distribution platforms. Have you used Toolost before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.